everyone, welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So today we are talking about something super important for the garden. And as you can see, I am in the garden at the farm. In January and February, one big thing that you have to think of is amending your soil for the garden. That's usually done in the winter months, so that it's all ready come April, come May, when you're ready to put your plants in the ground. And we are so lucky and so blessed at the podcast, Round the Hay Bale. If you haven't seen it, click up here, to be sponsored by MySoilTesting. It's a soil testing kit, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So if that's something that interests you, stick around.
I'm coming home.
Y'all, it is so bright. So if I'm squinting, we just gonna get through it together. All right, so I've received my soil test kit from MySoil.com. First of all, it's the cutest little packaging ever, y'all. This is so freaking cute. And it comes with everything that you need to test and send back. So we're just gonna go through a couple things that are in the box. First one, shipping. Second, instructions. It's important. I'm just gonna go over. It comes with perfect instructions of how to do everything. The first one is you're gonna want to register your soil test kit. That's number one. And I'm gonna insert here me registering it online to show you how easy it is to register your soil test kit. So basically what it says is register your kit online at MySoilTesting.com. There is also a QR code that you can go ahead and just scan when you get it. Don't scan mine, because you'll get one that comes in yours. Scan that and it will take you to MySoilTesting.com so that you can register your own kit. Next it says collect a good soil sample. And that's important, period. So this part, listen, it's important. Collect soil from 5 to 7 separate locations within the desired testing area. So basically in my garden is probably a 25 foot by 35 foot. I need to get different locations of the soil tested. So that means get a sample from 5 to 7 locations. I'm gonna do 7 because it won't be an overachiever. The soil should be collected to a depth of 6 inches. So that means you need to go 6 inches down to get that soil, to put it in. You get this cute little tester thing. It says, composite the collected soil in the MySoil box, large plastic bag or bucket, and mix thoroughly, breaking any large chunks. So basically what that means is you need to get a bag or a little box, or in this MySoil box that they send you, and all the samples that you get, you need to put it in there so you can mix it thoroughly, break up any large chunks. So it's making sense. Is it making sense for you? Click that thumbs up. And using the provided scoop, there is a scoop and I'm gonna take it out. Using the provided scoop, collect 1 level scoop of mixed soil and add to the container jar. Add to the jar containing DI water and nutrient absorbing capsules. Secure lid tightly. Do not dump the water out of the thing. Okay. So there is water in your, I don't know if you can, yeah, there we go. You can see it on the camera. Do not pour that out. Do not pour that water out. What you're going to do is you're going to get a full layer of the soil and you're going to dump it in with the water and then close the lid tightly. Okay? So when I do that, I'm going to show you. I won't be gabbering like I'm doing now. And then basically we can go from there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 7 different locations. I'm going to dig up. I'm going to add it to my box, mix it thoroughly, and then get a good boop, boop, and boop, boop it into the lid thing so we can mail it back. So let's go ahead and get our soil. collected our soil, what it says, you see here, to break up the big chunks and to mix thoroughly. So I'm just gonna get my hands dirty and just mix her all around. Mix it, mix it, mix it around. Feels really good to get your hands in the dirt, especially since over the winter. I'm talking real dirt. I'm talking like dirt. I'm talking like make your fingernails dirty dirt. And then y'all, what we're going to do now, like specified, we are going to get a full cut to the top of this soil, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make sure I get a good solid top of it. And we're gonna dump this into your MySoil, MySoil little bowl here. And it says, do not remove the water, the content. So we're just going to open it up. We're going to dump this in. And we're going to close it tightly, like you're canning, finger tight. And from there, what you're gonna do is you get this little already labeled label on this little envelope. You're gonna wanna put your sample in the label envelope. It's already pre-shipped and labeled, so all you gotta do is close the back of it, and you're gonna ship it off back to MySoilTesting, and then within 6 to 8 business days, it's windy here today. In 6 to 8 business days, you will get a notification email that you have received your results. And from there, you will know what to amend your soil with. Now, I'm gonna be doing a second video once I receive my results so that I can walk you through how to read the results and that we can go ahead and figure out what we need for our garden. As you can see, it is not amended yet. We are going to be getting a tractor and tilling this whole area up to get ready for garden season 2022. So y'all, MySoilTesting is so amazing, y'all. It is so simple, so affordable. I'm going to leave the price here. Brennan and his team over at MySoil.com, it is absolutely fabulous. And they are such a great company that they are providing y'all with a promo code. That is MySoil22. It's going to be right here. And you can use that to get 10% off of your MySoil kit. Okay, and I really, really recommend you get one of these so you know what to do, because what is the end goal? To have a sustainable food source coming in and plants that provide the most food for you, right? Who doesn't want that? And the MySoil Test Kit is a start to finish solution for the DIY and professional community. Y'all, Brennan and his team has successfully combined predictive soil testing technologies with an easy to use customer service experience that assists in improving your soil and plant health, while effortlessly guiding sustainable practices. Their goal is to guide users in perfecting their soil to grow the healthiest plant possible. And that is so true, y'all. It is so true. All of us want healthy plants that produce a lot of food so we can be self-sustainable throughout the winter, right? So why not get it tested? So again, go to MySoilTesting.com and use promo code MySoil22 to get 10% off. They sponsor us around the hay bale. All of the hosts, me, Monica, Lisa, Alicia, and Casey, will all be doing videos on this. So I'll leave description links in the description box below so you can watch their videos too, and see all different zones and see how vastly different soil testing can be for different zones. So y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave us a thumbs up. Go ahead and like and subscribe to follow our journey now that we're on the homestead. Follow us on social media at Instagram and Facebook. And until next video, y'all, thanks for stopping by the homestead. We'll see you later. Be blessed.
I'm coming